In this quick guide, you'll learn how to resolve duplicate bank imports in Wave accounting. Duplicate transactions can clutter your accounting records, making it difficult to maintain accurate financial data. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your transaction records remain clean and concise. To begin, open your Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're there, turn your attention to the left navigation sidebar. Here, you'll find a menu designed to help you navigate through various accounting tools efficiently. Look for the option labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, select Transactions. This will take you to the Transactions page, which displays a comprehensive ledger grid of all your financial activities. Now that you're on the Transactions page, the next step is to locate the duplicate entries you wish to address. Duplicate transactions can often occur due to multiple bank imports or manual entry errors. These rows will appear identical in terms of date, description, and amount. Take your time to carefully scan through the list to identify these duplicates. Once located, it's time to decide which of the two identical rows you want to keep and which one you wish to remove. Hover your mouse over the row you've decided to delete. As you do this, direct your attention to the far right side of that specific line item. You'll notice a three-dot ellipsis icon, sometimes represented as a drop-down arrow. Clicking on this icon will open a small menu that provides several options for managing the transaction. Among these options, you'll see Delete. Selecting this option will prompt a confirmation to ensure you truly want to remove the transaction. Once you confirm the deletion, Wave Accounting will remove the duplicate row, leaving you with a cleaner and more accurate ledger. It's important to note that this action is irreversible, so make sure you've selected the correct row before proceeding with deletion. By keeping your records tidy, you're not only ensuring compliance, but also making future audits or reviews much simpler and more efficient. And there you have it. Through these simple steps, you've successfully resolved duplicate bank imports in Wave Accounting. Regularly reviewing and maintaining your transaction records will help you avoid discrepancies and keep your financial data in top shape. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.